Number one, if Yatnal has some information and when he stated that he is going to disclose in the house, let him disclose in the house first. Let him not shoot in the air. Let him disclose the names. He has himself said that he has got names. I dare ask him that today only he should reveal the names in the floor of the house. Otherwise, he is doing this drama, hit and run case. And second thing, whatever the lady, the crime she has committed, there is law which will punish her. But at the same time, such loose talks with different meanings, language is not good on his part. He being a senior MLA, he being a former union minister, these type of remarks are not good on his part, and I condemn it.
Sir, Ramchandra Rao has been sent on compulsory leave. BJP says that there is a cover-up by the Congress government. How do you see
No, we do not want to see. There is nothing now. CBI is there, DRI is there, everybody is there. Who can cover up the case? Who can cover up this? Now that our ED is there, CBI is there, everybody is there.
So BJP threatened to protest on the 4% reservation that has been given for...
The 4% reservation, other day, our KPCC president has also stated, it is 2A, 2B, all these groups. It's not only Muslims who will get. It is the entire backward classes who will get the reservation.
Thank you.
And in that, Muslims are also there. Kurbas come there, Upara come there. And even some Lingayat subsects 2A, like Ganigas and other things, they also come there. Only these people, as they're sitting in the yellow eyes, only they look, see that it's Muslims. What about the others? Kurbas are the biggest 2A in the backward class numbers.